Here we go.
Christmas album. What else do I need? I am a big Christmas person. I always have been, I always will be, and usually by the time it's like November 1st, I'm doing anything and everything to get myself into the holiday spirit. But this year, I feel like it's a mixture of being at college and just having a lot of stuff to do. I haven't really had time to really do one task that gets me into the holiday spirit, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. So as you guys can tell from the title, I'm going to be decorating my entire room for the holidays, and right now my room is really freaking boring, so it needs all the help that it can get. And I have a tree to put up, I have pillows to place on my bed, I have a lot of stuff to do, so I thought it might be fun to document it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, even in the slightest, make sure to let me know in a comment down below and subscribe if you have not done so already. And with all that being said, let's get into it. So the first thing I have to do is I have to move this chair over to the other side of my room because this is usually where my Christmas tree goes. Honestly, this shouldn't be too hard except for the fact that I have like zero upper body strength. And once we do this, we can get started with building the tree. And I might have to call in a little bit of help with this part because it could take like 3 hours easily. Just like this from when I did Vlogmas in my senior year of high school. So I'm gonna insert that clip right now. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Oh, the mistletoe is hung where you can see. Just finished up with the tree. It's definitely not perfect. It's definitely patchy in some places. Like, why is this whole space completely and totally empty? I'm not too sure. But now my mom is going to come upstairs and help me put on the lights. The tree is now completely done being decorated. I think it looks really, really good this year. One thing that I always forget every single year is that I don't have nearly as many lights as I should or as many ornaments as I should. So because of that, the entire back of the tree is completely empty, but that's okay because no one's looking at the back of the tree anyway. I think it looks amazing. It's gonna make for really good video backgrounds, which means I have to film quite a few videos within the next 3 days, just so I can stockpile and have a lot to post for you guys throughout the entire month of December. But now I'm going to move on to the rest of my room. I don't really know where to start. One thing I did want to show you, this was hands down my favorite Christmas decoration that I ever had in my room. And I don't know what the hell happened, but look at it. The snow globe is absolutely stunning. I got it from Target, but the water just completely turned yellow. It's so bizarre. Last year it was perfectly fine. This year it is yellow. It looks like someone peed in the freaking snow globe. It used to look like this. This one still looks amazing, but I don't know. There was something about that one that I really liked, but it's okay. I have lots and lots of Christmas decorations to still place in my room, and then once I do so, my room will be completely festive, and I'm just so excited. This is my favorite time of year, clearly, by how excited I am, and it officially feels like Christmas once my room is entirely decorated. So let's get back to it. I've been listening to the entire Justin Bieber Christmas album, naturally, and I'm just gonna get back to it. Here we go. I've been doing this for the last 4 years, and even I think that this is excessive. underrated Christmas song ever. Gets me the most hyped, without a doubt. I always forget that I have this, and I figure why not wear it at least for the thumbnail, because it's just like too appropriate to not put on. Guys, are you kidding? I always forget that I own this. I really wish I could say that I bought this for an ugly sweater party or something, but I've never actually been to one of those. I just bought this for my own enjoyment like 2 years ago, 3 years ago. It was from Forever 21, literally $10. And I only ever wear it once or twice a year, but whenever I do, it just makes me very happy. It's like the most festive thing ever. Like, would I ever wear this out of the house? Definitely not, but at least for the thumbnail, I think it's pretty perfect. This next part of decorating is definitely the least glamorous part, but now I need to clean up this entire mess. This happens every single year, I swear. One year, my tree is just gonna have no pine needles left on it because every single year tends to get worse and worse, but gotta do what you gotta do. Does anyone really care about me sweeping the floor right now? Definitely not. That looks so pretty. So we are just about done decorating my room. I am so incredibly happy with how it looks. If you could tell in the back, I ended up adding these little red bows onto my Christmas tree. I've never actually done this before. I didn't even know that I had these, but I think they look really cool. They add a nice little pop of red. They're not too much, but I don't know, I think it looks kind of cute. If you were still watching up until this point in the video, I want you guys to go down into the comments and tell me what your favorite holiday song is or what your favorite holiday movie is, because especially if you guys have different favorites than I do and it's something that I either haven't listened to before or haven't watched before, then I want to be able to do that. And if you guys have the same favorite Christmas song or favorite Christmas movie, then we can bond about it in the comments. But now I'm going to head downstairs and see if my mom has decorated the rest of the house. I'm not sure if she has, but this is usually the day that we do so. So let's go check it out. I don't know what they put in my coffee this morning, but it's lots of caffeine. Guys, I see it. It's coming along. Oh wait, oh, I love these things. Coming down to see the other Christmas decorations. These are new. Are
you vlogging?
I am vlogging.
Hi.
Hi. These are new. Are these new? I always love this pillow. So cute. And over here, oh my God. You really went at it.
I'm going at it.
You're going at it. Oh. Look how good that looks. So that is going to be it for my Christmas room transformation. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and had fun watching it. And if you did, please make sure to let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up and leaving a comment down below. And if this video got you at all into the Christmas spirit, please let me know, because my main goal when making any Christmas video is to get you guys as excited for the holidays as I am. Also, make sure to follow me on all of my social media sites, as well as subscribe to this channel so you don't miss a single bit of holiday content. It's going to be very festive across all of my social media platforms, and you do not want to miss a single thing. So with all that being said, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you very soon in my next video. Bye.